Okay, what are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are those angles which lie on the same side of the transversal. One of them is exterior and the other is interior. Okay, so two angles lie on the same side of the transversal. It means this is a side of transversal, they lie on the same side. This is another side of the transversal, they lie on the same side. And one angle is always exterior, another one is interior. If you see transversal, this is exterior part of transversal, this is interior. ठीक है, जो अंदर की तरफ आ रहा है, this is interior, this is exterior. This is exterior, this is interior. This is again interior, this is exterior. जो नीचे की तरफ लिखा है और ऊपर की तरफ लिखा है, upside and down. Both are exterior parts, and inside, which is coming inside, they are known as interior angles. ठीक है, तो C, D, E, F interior है, A, B, G, H are exterior. So corresponding angles, what are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are those angles, one thing which lie on the same side of the transversal. Second thing, one of them will be exterior and the other one will be interior. And third thing which you have to remember is they are always equal. Okay, if value of one corresponding angle is 10, the value of other corresponding angle will also be 10. This also you have to remember. This will help you when we will be solving exercises. That corresponding angle is always equal. Corresponding angles are always equal. Now, how you will identify corresponding angles? They make F shape. Okay, they make F shape. Now let's look at it over here. This was the main figure. Okay, this was the main figure, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now I have divided them into 4 parts. Okay, if you can see 4 colors you will see over here. So 4 parts I have divided, and now I am telling you what are corresponding angles over here. What I said, that corresponding angles lie on the same side of transversal. One will be interior and other one will be exterior. So angle A and angle E are corresponding angle. Why? Because this is this is exterior and this is interior. So one is exterior angle, other one is interior angle. Angle A and angle E are corresponding angle. Angle A and angle E. Secondly, they lie on the same side of transversal, and I told you that they make F shape. So if you look carefully, this and till down this, they are making F shape. This and this. So A and E. Can you see? They are making F shape. So they are corresponding angle. Now let's look at the black one. C, this is interior, and G, this is exterior. So again, same side of the transversal. One is interior, other one is exterior, and again they are making F shape. Look carefully. So this is also corresponding angle. Angle C and angle G. If you look carefully, this is also making F shape. This and this. So C and G. One is interior, other one is exterior. Okay, so these are also pair of corresponding angles and they are equal. A and E are equal, C and G are equal. Now look to the other side of the transversal. Angle B and angle F. One is exterior, other one is interior. And they lie on the same side of transversal. That's why they are corresponding angle. Again, they are making F shape. Angle B and angle F are also corresponding angle. How they are making F shape? If you look carefully, So this is B and this is F. So they are also making F shape, corresponding angles. Now look back to the same side of the transversal. D and H are also corresponding angle. Why? Because they are on the same side of transversal. One angle is interior, other one is exterior. So angle D and angle H is also corresponding angle and they are equal. Again they are making F shape, this and this, H. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So what are corresponding angles? Let's revise. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of transversal. They are equal. One exterior is interior, one angle is exterior, one angle is interior, and they make shape of F. Okay, those are corresponding angles. Now let's look to another angle, that is alternate angles.